Hey guys, welcome. I've just finished another great trading session with binary options on a platform called Pocket Option. If you want to find out the result where I got with just $15, watch this video till the end. We're starting right now. I'm Oliver. Let's go. Right guys, so I have this put option made, $15 there, and as you can see it's breaking through the middle of the Donchian channel and the parabolic start was at the top, so I just made this quick option. Let's wait for the result of it and continue. And here we have guys, $28. Not a huge one yet, but we're gonna push it. We're gonna push it with a compound percent using the entirety of the profits towards the next option. I'm gonna do that. Right, let's go with $28 to 8 and the next option. Don't like those. Let's keep looking. That's looking better. I think I'm gonna go ahead with the call option here. It's breaking through the middle of the Donchian. Parabolic side is at the bottom. Stochastic is looking up. Everything's pointing up. Looks like I changed the direction of the trend actually. Let's wait for the result and continue. And here we are guys, $53 from this option. We're gonna place those towards the next one, and it looks like it's breaking through, although it's gonna meet the resistance. It's definitely making new grounds there, new maximum. Well, sorry, it's definitely changing direction of the trend there, because there was a downtrend and then it started going up. Looks like a direction of the change of the trend. Alright, let's move on. $54, and we'll go ahead and we'll go ahead and choose our next currency, guys. By the way, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. This helps channel enormously. So I've been told that is looking not too bad. I think it's got some. Right, let's go with the put option. There's no level per se, but it looks like it could use a correction, and we're gonna try to catch this pullback. A lot of times you work with the pullbacks here. So let's move on, guys. Let's wait for the result and we'll continue. Oh, very tricky, guys. We got the profit, but that was very, very tricky. Let's move on. Let's place 100 here. Oh, doesn't let me. 100 and choose our next currency. This is reaching. Oh, this is reaching it reached a level, but then. Oh no. There is another level, a support. But I broke through this one. I think, will it go further down? If it's gonna go further down, then I'm gonna make it might bounce off from this point here, from this level. So sometimes you just gotta wait a bit and then see where it's going, see the direction where it's going. It could potentially go back to the other level and then bounce off there again, so kind of leaving a shadow, but I think it's moving towards the next, and a lot of times it's just this waiting game. It's a cup game. You just waiting for it to move a bit down. Yeah, let's go. Let's just enter from here. I think we're good. And here it is, guys. Awesome stuff. 96 we're adding, and it worked. The technical analysis works. Okay, so what's happening here? Okay, we're reaching some. There's not a clear level there, and I think it's actually breaking through, but maybe there is a zone. Let's go with the put option. I think there will be a correction I don't think it's just gonna go through to the moon. So let's wait for the result and continue. And here we get 376 for the balance, and I'm gonna use that obviously towards the next option. Let's do that. Let's choose our next currency. How about this here? This is, let's go with the similar approach here because it's kind of doing the same. It was going up and it reached a resistance level. There is a level there. You could say there is a zone, but I think you could draw a level, and as you can see, it's moving, it's correcting now. So let's wait for the time that's left there and continue. Here we have, guys, we got 721 from this option. Awesome result. We're gonna move on, and as you can see, it's working. It's going right down. Let's correct the amount to 700 and let's choose our next victim. Righty. This is moving up. Nah, it's unclear. I like clear situations in those, otherwise I'm going to be waiting there for a while. Right, there is also resistance level, very similar situation to the other two, or zone, and it's going into the correction. Hopefully we're going to catch this pullback. As I said, a lot of times you're working with pullbacks on this time frame. 1 minute is a very small time frame. So yeah, let's give it time and we'll continue. And here we have, guys, we reached this 4 figures of today. We got $1,366 on the balance, guys. We're gonna stop here. I hope you enjoyed this. This is an amazing result for this trading session. I hope you enjoyed, because I did. And I'll see you all next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. All the best and good luck.